Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Marina. Please don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe, and today we're going to be talking about the best restaurants in Orlando outside of Disney. So if you're looking for somewhere, so first of all, we're starting at Kobe Japanese Steakhouse. There's quite a few on iDrive. I think there's about 3 or 4. I've been to 3 out of 4 and they were all amazing. Now they do have different deals, so as you can see here, there's the early bird deal, and then normally on a Thursday after I think it's 6 p.m. or 8 p.m. you get like a 2-for-1 deal, but it's amazing. So you start off with this soup. It's kind of like stock with a bit of mushroom in, really nice, and then they give you a salad with an amazing sauce, and then the fun bit is the teppanyaki. It is absolutely amazing. So you get rice, noodles, and then you can pick the meat that you want as well. So you could have shrimp, steak, chicken, etc. There's so much to choose from. You can get extras as well, like sushi and things like that, but yeah, this is an amazing restaurant and it actually tastes so good. I would really highly recommend going for the food, but it's also quite a fun experience as well, watching everything be cooked in front of you. So I would highly recommend this. So next up we are in Perkins Bakery, and we love to come here for breakfast. Now this is amazing. They've got loads to choose from, so you can choose waffles, French toast, burgers, skillet. So they don't only do breakfast, they do other food as well. I really love the French toast from here, and Dan always gets the skillet, but the food is amazing. Now they also have a bakery, as you can see here, so you can get things to take away. They do whole cakes, or they do smaller like portions, cookies, muffins, everything, and it's just so delicious. I would highly recommend to come here, and if you sign up on the emails you always get offers as well. So there's the skillet, and then you would have seen my breakfast. Next up we are in Outback Steakhouse. There is quite a few of these down iDrive, so they always bring you complimentary bread which tastes incredible. I absolutely love the bread. So we always get the kookaburra wings, they're really nice, and then here is our steak. So I got a side of mac and cheese with mine, and it was so tasty. Really recommend Outback. So it was a little bit expensive, come to $71, but it's worth it. And next up we've got the Cheesecake Factory. You've probably all heard of this before. So they're famous for their cheesecakes, but also we like to get the nachos and the wings. They're really tasty, and the portions are absolutely huge, so just be careful, don't come and have a 3-course meal because you won't fit it in. And then the cheesecakes are insane. Next up we're at Miller's Ale House. This is another great little restaurant. So I like to go for the Zingers Mountain Melt. So you get loads of zingers, and then you can pick what sauces you get. And then just showing you a couple of other things, so you could get ribs, other meats, fajitas, etc. They do have loads on the menu, but like I said, I always get my favourite. So you can see the size of it here. It's absolutely huge. The portion sizes are really big, but you get such good value for money. The soft drinks are refills as well, and you can actually fill it up, and they give you like a takeaway cup, which I think is really good. So as you can see, I got defeated, but it's so good and tasty. Next up we have got Buffalo Wild Wings, and they have got loads of different wings. You can get different sizes, boneless and traditional, and you can actually pick which sauce you get, and then seasonings as well. So it ranges from like sweet barbecue, which is obviously mild, to really blazing hot. But yeah, these were really tasty. And then in the background of this restaurant they do have sports up and stuff, so if you do like sports, this is quite a good place to go. But the food was absolutely. Next we've got Voodoo Donuts. This is in City Walk by Universal. It's not really a dinner, but I had to mention it because they do the best donuts ever, and they also do vegan as well, so it's really good if anyone has an allergy. But yeah, they do loads and loads of different donuts, really different sizes, different fillings. It's a little bit expensive, but I don't care, it's worth it. So nice. So we got an Oreo one, and then I think we just got the plain jam filled one, but these are so good. Next up, we've got Hard Rock Cafe. Again, this is in City Walk. We did have a voucher this time, so we did get a free appetizer, but again, this is a place with a really big menu, so you will probably find something that you like if there's someone fussy. Loads of different options here, but the food, it's really tasty. So I got a burger, and we got a side of edamame beans. I think I said it right. But yeah, really tasty, but a little bit more expensive than your usual restaurant, but it's a great atmosphere and a great place to go, especially if you've never been before. And then finally, we've got Bubba Gump Shrimp and Co. This is also in City Walk, and this is great if you've seen the film Forrest Gump. It's related to that. The actual shrimp flavour is so tasty. It's the best shrimp I've ever had. We also got a steak and mash with it as well. Really tasty food. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. I really hope that it helps you out. Let me know if you've been to any places and what's your favourite. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, bye.